Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your device meets basic requirements and that critical browser data is saved. Make sure bookmarks or passwords are synced to an account or exported. Next, open your current browser, navigate to the official Chrome download page, and click the installer link. Once the file finishes downloading, locate it in Downloads or your chosen folder and double-click to run the installer. This starts the setup and prepares Chrome for configuration. Now you will complete the setup and customize Chrome for daily use. When the installer runs, approve permissions and follow prompts. If you need extensions or policy settings, choose Advanced Options. Decide whether to make Chrome your default browser now. You can always change this later in system settings. After installation, open Chrome and sign into your Google account. Once signed in, Sync restores bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and extensions, helping you pick up where you left off. Finish by checking that Chrome behaves as expected and fixing any issues. Open Chrome, go to Settings, and confirm it's set as the default browser. Then visit a few websites and check extensions and saved passwords to ensure sync worked. If a page won't load or sync fails, restart your computer first. If that doesn't help, uninstall Chrome, remove leftover installer files, download a fresh installer, and reinstall. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking installation or sign-in to avoid persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.